Haakaa's on-the-go silicone microwave steam sterilizer bags offer a fast, plastic-free way to sanitize baby bottles, breast pumps, and accessories. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, these BPA-free bags hold up to 40 ounces, 1,250 milliliters, fitting two 6-ounce Haakaa Wide-Neck bottles and parts for quick daily sterilization. Compact and lightweight, these reusable bags roll up for easy travel and feature a secure seal to prevent leaks. They're also versatile enough to steam vegetables or other foods. Safe for microwave, fridge, freezer, and dishwasher, they simplify hygiene on the go. Try it when you're ready to streamline your baby gear routine.